I'm here with my dog. There she is. She's right behind my ball. I'm gonna play with. Where's Trixie? Where's Trixie? There she is. Good girl. She is a Pomeranian, and a golden retriever mix. She's a good girl. Alright. So today we're playing some knee hockey. Trixie, can you get out of the Trixie. No. Trixie, no. No, Trixie. Trixie, get out of my way. My dog just want to get out of my way. Trixie. Go away. Trixie, I'm making a video. Get out of the way. Go away. Trixie, go. Sorry, guys. There was something that went up. Really? Alright, so guys, this is my first video. And Trixie is under my chair now. Come look at her. There she is. There he is. She's having a good time. She's having a good time. So yeah, this is my first video, and I'm gonna leave this in the look at the description of my friend's account, my friend's YouTube channel. Watch this video, subscribe to that. His YouTube channel goes by the name Kristen Moffet. So that's what he is on. That's his YouTube channel. I'm in some of his YouTube videos. I'm in some of it, not all of it. And his picture is like my Pikachu stuffed animal. So check out his videos. He's good. And please like and subscribe to his video, to his channel. Please like and subscribe. Yes. So, bye guys. That's all for today. Please like and subscribe to this video. And I'll see you guys next time.